Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm on Central Park South, and I'm in an apartment that is being purchased by the neighbor who shares a wall with this apartment. And for this scope of the work on this project is going to be floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, and electrical plan. Let me show you the park. So this building is located right in the center of Central Park. So I'm facing north right now. And let me show you around this apartment. So this apartment is run down, and so the neighboring apartment is on the same wall as this fireplace, and so they're gonna the new owner's gonna absorb this apartment into his existing apartment, and then this apartment's gonna be renovated. So back here we have two closets, and this is the master bedroom with a master bath there. Then we go this way. We have, I call this a den with a bathroom and then the kitchen. And we wrap back around to the entrance, foyer, and living room. So this is what I'm working on today. Thank you for viewing my video. If you're ever in need of the existing condition drawings, whether it's in the city or out in the Hamptons or upstate, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.